Also, what I've got to do, I mean, just if you have a look at this, it's absolutely black. Look. Just all the trees. Just showing you the trees all the way around, everything like this, and just things. So while I've got it, I mean, normally I just use my brush. While I've got my jet wash, I'll give that a good old clean. And if you have a little look, I've been on my sprayer. I've been pumping up the oil with all over the top over it, hard surface cleaner. And as you can see, it's kind of like a tree this side. You can see where I've sort of stopped. It's coming up well. As you can see now, look, I've gone up there with the old jet wash. There you go, it's starting to get there. You can see where I'm finished. This is an amazing little pressure washer. If you see one on eBay, only picked it up 80 quid. Actually spot on, nice and powerful. Well, you know, for what I want. I'm not going to do it proper. But I don't know if I can take a picture of this without getting the camera. A bit difficult because I'm only working one hand, but hopefully you can sort of see. Lovely, isn't it? Making such a difference.